Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Huawei P30 Pro and you want to know how to use the audio control. You want to turn it on to be able to take photos, okay? And you'll be able to say cheese, or you can select down here to take photos whenever you speak loudly on the phone. So first thing is, let me show you how to navigate here. So it's very, very simple. First thing is, go ahead and just open up your camera here. And then from here, go ahead and tap on the settings icon right here. Tap on that, and then you want to go ahead and go down to audio control. So tap on that, and now you need to go ahead and just toggle it on. And if I have it on just say cheese, then every time I say cheese, it takes a photo, okay? And if I go down and do the other one here, let me go to audio control. And if I select this one, take photos when you speak loudly at the camera, depending on how far back you are, okay? I'm pretty close to the camera right now, so I can just be like, idiot! Idiot! Okay, there we go. Shut up! Hi! And it'll work the same thing if I'm in selfie mode as well. So if I just go to selfie mode, selfie mode. Anyways, there you guys go. You guys pretty much got that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.